Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendanos, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if the DSEMP repair command is stuck at processing and it's not letting you proceed or finish repairing your device. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on start menu. So, kailangan mo lang i-click tong start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-shutdown or mag-sign out mga kaibigan. So, kailangan lang natin mag-restart ng computer i-disregard lang if it's in the middle of the scan. So, habang nag-i-scan po siya, so okay lang. Kailangan lang natin mag-shutdown or mag-sign out. Okay, so once nakapag-restart na tayo within 20 or 30 minutes, and then again, mag-login ulit tayo dito sa ating PC. Okay, so once nakapag-login na tayo, so dito lang ulit sa search menu, click mo lang siya, and then search mo lang yung CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all is more later lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And makikita mo na dito yung beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na makomplete yung verifications into 100%. And finally, makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. Okay, so ang next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin yan. And then dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan ulit natin mag-restart. And hope na na-resolve yung issue. Alright, so ganoon na po kasimple on how to fix troubleshooting DSEMP repair command stuck at processing. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.